Keep going, Gavin.
I won't be able to stay in the whole game.
Yeah, me and
This is all because he likes tea so
I
much.
like tea. I like tea so much. I love tea.
Bro, where are we headed, G?
We're at the tacky prom.
Alright, let's see the full panorama. Do a little spin, Aden. Ooh.
What up? I'm Griff. I don't come around very often. But when I do, I make an entrance.
Game of Thrones! Alright, now let's look at. Oh my gosh.
This one's for you, Sternberg!
Alright, a bro pick.
Yeah, this is Julia. She's lame.
Hello.
Hey, I'll call you.
Hey everybody. I'd like to give a quick shout out to my man Kyle. He's a new leader at East Ham. Everybody give him a hand, please.
Yeah!
Also, I'd like to wish Kyle a very happy birthday. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday!
Hey, you two. This is my girlfriend, Lindsay.
Hey guys, it's me, Lindsay. Just hanging out with all. It's so big. Hey.
I'm vlogging for Aden.
Oh, can I be in your like? Hey, Aden, I want to be in your vlog.
I want to be in the vlog.
Hey guys.
Alright, say something.
What do I say? Hey,
What up, it's Gabby. You know, it's just
Get some grub! It's for a good cause! You know they want an 8-piece! It'll start coming or throw my son in their vehicle.
No. Yeah.
can I be in it?
Yeah, you want to be in my vlog? Wesley!
Yeah, cause
How'd they even get over there? Wesley, go kiss her.
You be like this.
Dude, guys, there's not a baby in there.
Yes, there is.
Hey, race.
Right.
Come on, Blake. She's got back here.
We love
Hey,
it.
I'm
Hairy
gonna-
girl. Hairy girl.
Birds aren't real. They're government spies. You know, birds are always on power lines.
Yeah.
Charging. Let's ask Siri. Are birds real? No, they're not. It's a secret agent. Crazy. The government's vlogging us.
Are you scared?
A little bit.
Is that a good thing? Meg, what do you think about birds?
They are not real. They're government spies.
She got that from me.
They're fake. They're just surveillance cameras.
Are you scared?
I think they're real. So, you know, I know that this is like
False!
Do you think birds are real?
Guess so.
Look, there's a poster right there.
When did that even get there?
Alyssa, what do you think about birds?
I think they're real.
I think you're wrong.
No.
No, they're for sure not real.
What up, vlog? This is my dog right here. I'm
right.
Adrian right here, and
Yeah.
this is my homie right here. Are birds real?
Birds?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
You're wrong. Hey, as a Russian person, of course not.
Hey, let me get out. Hey, gluten free. Let's go, baby.
Are birds real?
Birds definitely are not real.